Hey everyone, my name is Ishbin Brian, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make this really trippy effect here using only a mobile app in about 10 seconds or less. This effect is called data moshing. It is rather old and it's used a lot in music videos and things like that, but this app specifically is allowing you to do this in like 10 seconds. It's amazing and you can get super creative with it. Of course, this is if you're creating any content with your phone. If you are filming things with like a Red camera using RAW or anything like that, you're gonna have to use this other method that I made a tutorial on that allows you to data mosh footage that you've already previously shot. If you like what you see, please comment, like, subscribe, hit the little bell thingy so I know to keep making these types of videos. And yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is download the Moshup app. It's about $2 to $3, but it's well worth the money because you're going to be having fun with it and being creative with it and blowing people's minds. So it's amazing. Open it up and find an object that you want to record. Let's go ahead and go with little baby Yoda here. Hold down the middle button to record and then let go when you want to stop. Move the object to another location. So all I'm going to do is go to this baby Yoda on the bed here and line it up with the onion skin that the app has produced for me. Once you think you have your object aligned or relatively close, just hold the record button again and move back or forward or grab it depending on what kind of data mosh you want to do. And then after you've done that, let go, and that's pretty much how you do it. If you want to flip your camera, there's two arrows that allow you to flip to the front facing screen. But if you're done with your mosh, just go ahead and hit the save button the bottom left. It'll save into a folder in your pictures on your phone that'll be called Moshup. Make sure you have a little bit of movement in your shot. That really amplifies it and helps out the data moshing. Still footage kind of looks lame. If you like what you see, please comment, like, subscribe, hit the little bell thingy, and I'll be sure to make more app tutorials, After Effects, Premiere, Blender, all that jazz. Have a good day.